So today I'm going to be visiting Antioch. I also woke up an hour late, so I'm just now leaving. I was supposed to leave at 9 and it's 9:53, but that's okay. Either way, I'm going to be there, and off we go. Oh, I thought I heard the Saturn. Ooh. Hi. I heard the Saturn lock, but I was like, there's no way that's the Saturn.
Surprise!
Your camera.
Just tow it to our house. Tow it to the house for now. I'll be there in a little bit. At Pleasant Hill, where? Okay, I'll find you. I'll be there in a little bit.
Wait, it's on mine, so hold on. Okay, so I have to go with you because it's under my thing. So where's he at exactly?
He's in, let's get there first. It's on Pleasant Hill.
Yeah, but by the time we do this, and by the time
Sweetie, I don't know how to describe the exit.
Oh.
Doesn't look as bad as I thought.
I know.
I thought it was total.
I know. Well, who knows when they call the insurance.
See the other side, Eli. Oh my gosh, am I annoying?
Yeah, you're dumb.
Let's see. My camera's waterproof, so I can be out here. It's not as bad as I thought. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh!
That's where it happened. I hit right there.
What the heck?
I spun around on the freeway and I landed.
Dumb. Wasn't even dumb.
Like once you go over 50% of the value of the car.
Oh, and you called me dumb. Didn't you run over some boards and didn't even know? You got a flat tire?
Your neck's okay?
It's fully,
Okay.
fully covered. There's a little trick that he got. Coverage right now, yeah. The tires, the left front tire is completely like detached. It's like falling out.
Gosh.
Van, because she didn't know how to. She had to drive, and then she's thinking knocked herself down with the door being open, trying to run it to the. Oh my god.
Oh, when the van, right?
Yeah.
And then she got like hit by the door.
Yeah, and it like hit her neighbor's car.
Gosh.
You
What do you
got a
need
rain
one
jacket?
for? That's upstairs.
I have another one right here. Look at, because you never know when a man's gonna need a rain jacket. Keep one in your backpack.
Oh,
Man, I'll need it.
that's kind of cool.
I have one just like this, but it's way
You
longer.
want that, Eli?
Let's see
Yeah.
if this fits me.
No,
ask him.
I want that one that Danny has upstairs. That doesn't fit him as well anymore.
Which one?
The
light
dark
green?
blue one.
The original one.
The dark blue one, yeah. The one that I supposedly lost a long time
black.
ago.
Give it to Eli, Danny. What, honey?
There's a nail in the tire,
Oh.
I knew it.
which is easily packed.
You're gonna need the slippers.
Why not shoes then?
Give me the slippers real quick.
I'm trying to find my shoes first.
No, I don't make sure about that. Stop.
I was just thinking of Prisoner's Recall.
Yeah.
Staring at him.
Gosh. Why are you following me?
If there's a screw or something in the sidewall, it's toast. It can't be repaired. But if it's in the tread, it can be. So I put air in it, and I located the screw. So what's going to happen is, Isaiah, hand me my glasses. They're on the workbench.
Do you look at the camera?
Why?
It looks like a movie. Oh my gosh, you're all dramatically
I'm
looking
not.
down in the
I
rain.
was just looking,
Yeah.
and then you said that, and you ruined it.
Mm-hmm.
Danny's learning how to patch a tire.
Yeah. Thank you.
I told Danny, I said, you guys can record a don't drink and drive video in my car if you want right now.
Oh my gosh.
Frick. I'm so weak.
I'm so weak. That's the takeaway from this. Danny, you've been working out.
Oh, I got it.
Punch it.
Punch it.
Yeah, you box.
Oh, I want to watch that video. Mom said you guys are watching a video
Yeah.
about some kid that he made that scared you guys.
Oh my
So I
gosh.
want to watch it.
Now I'm gonna get. And
What's that?
Sleepy in it. Stop it! The rain.
wait right here. Stay in the rain.
Get a dramatic shot of me just like looking out in the distance. That's too stupid.
Do it. Do it.
Oh. Was that in there?
Yeah. Huh?
Say cheese.
Cheese. Is that a thumbnail
You
or
should let
something?
me throw
Yeah.
this banana peel at your legs be a transition into another shot.
Oh my gosh. Ew.
Yeah?
You look.
For me, it was a morning because I woke up at 11:50.
Because you stayed up till 1 being scared.
2. Well, we stayed up till 1 watching it, and then at 2 is when I actually went to bed.
It's
Finally.
only 3 minutes long.
But we got like a whole hour of discussion out of it.
What's that guy's name? Something's Dracula with Gary Oldman and Keanu Reeves.
Yeah.
I was watching
Bram
a scene
Stoker.
with- Yeah, it was Keanu Reeves and Gary Oldman talking. Keanu Reeves stopped.
Some best inferno.
He's so bad. It's so funny. You know what's crazy?
Huh.
I'm never gonna drive a Challenger again.
You never gonna what?
Drive it.
Oh my gosh.
Never gonna drive it again.
I thought you didn't like that car.
I hated it.
Perfect.
I was paying for a car I didn't want.
I'm gonna get a comment and say.
Is that like the best type of horror that you've experienced? One that was actually freaking you out more than anything on one?
Yeah, Danny got me all scared last night.
Find my running shoes.
I love you.
Okay, so see you on Sunday, right? Yeah. Okay, love you. I'm so glad you came here. Drive careful, okay?
Yeah.
Text me when you get there.
Okay.